What's up guys, Dustin here. I'm doing another Star Trek KRE-O set, and this time it's the Klingon D-7 battle cruiser. Here's the battle cruiser. What it looks like, it has 39 pieces and it features light text, so look at the back. Real fast. Set is A3369. You have the stand, you have the bird of prey, and you can actually get the other ships, such as the USS Enterprise, the Jellyfish, and the USS Kelvin. So let's take a look at it right now. Here it is. This is the Klingon bird of prey, but it's called Battle Cruiser, but I call it Bird of Prey, so let's take it. Stand what it looks like. It's basically off the Delta logo. And here's the Bird of Prey. Not a bad build. It took up like 35 pieces. Build this. It includes 3 stickers on it. I know you cannot see that well, but I'm sorry. And it features light text, so once you put it on here, and the way you do it is you pinch this, it lights up. So let's see what it looks like with the lights on. So that's what it looks like right for the Klingons. So be a great gift to anyone that loves Klingon, the Klingon language, the home world of Klingon. Usually the Klingons are actually not one of my favorite alien races, but since I've seen Star Trek First Contact, it's like, yep, I don't like the Borg. Here's the back end. It is a great gift for a Star Trekkie, so yeah. Anyway, my name is... Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. So... Anyway, my name is Dustin. I'm sorry about the destruction of Klingon Bird of Prey, so yeah. See you guys later.